for that Mr. Food, and peanut butter and marshmallow can be a hard combination to beat for snack time, I suppose, yeah. And it can be an even better dessert dish, and that's what Howard is baking up as a cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I remember as a kid, I used to love fluff and udder sandwiches. My brother and I would spread a thick layer of peanut butter on white bread and then top it with gobs of marshmallow cream. And you know what? After all these years, I still love them. So to share my ooey gooey nutty love for this combo, let me show you how easy it is to whip up a dessert that is based on these memories. The first thing we do is combine some peanut butter with sugar, a stick of butter that we melted, a bunch of eggs, vanilla, a good amount of flour, and a touch of salt. After giving this a good mix, we spread this into a baking dish and pop it in the oven. Once it comes out and it's still hot, we spoon on some marshmallow cream. After this cools, we'll top it with a simple peanut butter frosting that is so good, you could eat it by the spoonful. And when we cut this and take our first bite, get ready to do a happy dance. It's that good. Once you're done dancing, you may want to grab a glass of milk to wash it down with. To get the recipe for what we call
What's your reason to call the law office of William L.
today we
Phelan?
found an
Hurt in a car accident.
Hurt in an 18-wheeler accident.
Say, ooh, it's so good.
Mr. Food has a lot of other helpful tips, as you just saw there, and you can find this recipe for this right here, along with so many more good food from Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you got to do is go to our website, KOAM News Now.